Today we are going to solve merge two sorted linked lists. We need to merge two linked lists and they should be sorted. They are already sorted. So let us take the temp1 as head and temp2 as the head 2. Let me clear this and let us initialize a new node and take a value 0. And to keep track of the head, we'll use another variable r. And let us go through the array, and if the temp1 dot data is less than temp2 dot data, we'll move the temp1 to the next value, else we'll move temp2 to the next value. And we'll do something repetitive here. We have new and keep the new dot next equal to the new value we get. So we're going to implement the same here. The new dot next is going to be temp2, and to keep track of the new value we'll get it to temp1 temp2. So we have got an complete overview of it. For the remaining values, let us do the same. That means after comparisons there are values that are greater than the one list that we get. So let us quickly write this, and let me copy paste this thing and replace temp1 with temp2. And temp1 equal to temp2 dot next, and temp2 equal to temp2 dot next. So we have an initial value 0. So let us return the next value from the new head so that we can avoid the starting 0 we got. Let us check if it works. Yeah, it works, and let us submit this. So this is how you should solve this problem. All you need to do is initialize a dummy node and keep track of the dummy node's head and compare the lists, and just add the lesser values from the two lists, comparing each of them. And there are going to be values that are greater than the one list, so add those remaining using the temporary variable. If they are in the second list, use this. And in the end we'll just remove the temporary value we taken to initialize a node from r dot next. That's how you solve it. So please like, share and subscribe.